Today, I'm going to show you a super useful trick to share website links with specific highlighted text in iMessages. Ever stumble upon a long article or research paper and wanted to share just a specific part? Sending the entire link makes your friends sift through the content. But with Apple's Messages app, you can highlight the exact part you want to share. It saves time and directs attention to what really matters. Alright, let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone and navigate to the web page you want to share. Next, highlight the text you want your recipient to focus on. Just tap and hold to select the text. Now, tap the share icon at the bottom of the Safari. Select messages from the share sheet. You will notice the highlighted text is automatically included in the message preview along with the link. When the recipients get your message, the quoted text will appear within the message preview, giving them immediate context. If the message is long, it may display viewing partial selection, but the link will still be functional. This feature only works with Safari and the iMessage app. Testing with Chrome, Firefox, and third-party messaging apps like WhatsApp didn't yield the same result. So stick with Safari and iMessages for this trick. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.